welcome to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures. Not a very nice evening, blowing a good 5 to 6 up Southampton water. Just trying out my new Uptiders basically. These are the Zziplex profile light custom Uptides. I've had them a couple of years, but literally, you can't believe this, it's the first time I've used them. Even personalised with Dobbo on there. And with these, I've matched these to the Avet Mc cast. Lovely piece of kit. Perfect. Just need some fish now. I think I'm going to struggle tonight. I've had a few bits and pieces, dogfish and a couple of pout, but no. So light. Perfect. Perfect rods. Beautiful. I would certainly recommend these. So tippy, good bite detection. I mean, I've only had dogfish and pout on them so far, but yeah, nice bit of kit those. And you can see that there. Beautiful rods and reels, all matching. It's probably what we got there. Probably around 1800 quid's worth there with the 2 rods and reels. Still, you pay your money, that's what you get. Quality. But no, it's getting towards that time, cod season now. So I thought, oh well, it's a bit early, but I just wanted to really just play with the rods, and at the moment they're all going absolutely blinding. Can't fault them. No, it's good. Just want some fish now, so fingers crossed.